my everything. You are my sun, you are my cloudy day, my favorite storm, my endless rain. You are my favorite place to dream, my favorite place to be embraced, place of solace which granting kisses, place I for sure will miss. I like your smile, never teasing, but simply loving for who I am. I might be pain in the fifth, not a gift. I like the way you put up with it. I love your company, never boring, despite you are never existed.
You got me, baby, I got your back. Looking at you, thinking about all of the ways that you know me, I can't get enough. We got the future, burning the past, good and the bad, making it last. We are what I want and I want what I already got. When you come through